What does the India Today Group offer you? Legacy. Backed with 40 years of journalistic excellence. Leadership. Empowerment.
चिया चौकी जाती हूँ तो सुनवाई नहीं होती, उल्टी मुझे ही गालियाँ सुनना पड़ती हैं।
ठीक है, आपका कहाँ पर है ये?
बरेली।
बरेली में
जी।
एक बार आप देख लीजिए, बाकी बताइए, मैं भी देखूंगा।
Ground Zero Journalism.
आदमी परेशान हो रहा है, जॉब की दिक्कत है, पढ़े लिख के यहाँ पे सब निकल गए, डिप्लोमा इंजीनियर करके, जॉब नहीं है।
उम्मीद आप करते हैं कि अगली सरकार तलाश करेगी रोजगार के मौके?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, पूरी उम्मीद है इस बार तो।
आनंद पाल का एनकाउंटर, ये दो ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जिन पर राजपूतों ने अपनी नाराजगी सरकार के खिलाफ खुलकर जाहिर की है।
नोटबंदी और जीएसटी की नाराजगी तो है साहब।
है।
Avant-garde. Credibility. Getting the elections right.
हमारे एग्जिट पोल के रुझान जो अनुमान थे उसकी तरफ बढ़ते हुए ये रुझान।
Youth Connect. Unbeatable #1 news channel for 18 years. Aaj Tak, the trusted choice on every election.
7 तारीख से पहले आप नाराजगी दूर कर लेंगे?
The most credible, the most watched. India Today TV. First and only Hindi HD news channel. Aaj Tak HD. The network of #1. Legacy, leadership, reach. India Today Group.
During the lockdown, one of the things that's happened is that television viewership has shot through the roof, especially news television viewership, which is up almost 300%. I want to take you through what the television universe looks like at this moment. In news, which is up from 7% of the overall universe to 21% of the overall television universe. That is phenomenal. It's never been seen in India's history before this. One of the big gainers in this big jump has been India Today Television. This is India's mega cities, the big metropolitans. Here, India Today is leading the pack ahead of everyone in the competitive space.
The big record, of course, goes to news as a category. 300% growth of news, 56% growth of movies, 46% growth in kids. Huge growth in non-prime time.
India Today Group and Hyundai.
खबर वही जो आज तक दिखाए और विश्लेषण वही जो समय बचाए। खबरदार, सबसे तेज विश्लेषण सिर्फ आज तक पर।
Driven by all new Hyundai i20, born magnetic.
When it's election time in India.
29 Lok Sabha seats on offer in the state in 2019.
When a big story is breaking.
Who ordered the hit on Gauri Lankesh is my first big question.
When the newsmakers are in the hot seat.
You say one nation, one tax. I'm paying 70 rupees in Delhi, 79 rupees in Mumbai.
When the country's real issues are debated.
Where is the black money?
From studio to street, experience matters. News Today with Rajdeep Sardesai.
The way Mahendra Singh Dhoni captain, the coolness that he showed on the cricket field, and that's an important aspect. I believe this team is perhaps the best ever test team in terms of balance, in terms of ability, in terms of skill, in terms of temperament. The way you see a Rohit Sharma open the batting in one-day cricket, the way he's opening the batting in Test cricket, smashing, from the first over. That is how I wanted to play. As far as I'm concerned, the closest thing to batting perfection Sachin Tendulkar.
Driven by Hyundai Venue, now with IMT.
जब जब धरती पर अत्याचार बढ़ेला, उखाड़ ले जौन उखाड़ सकेले. Think movies are the most sensational thing from Bihar? Try watching its elections.
Ground report Bihar.
We have to come to the ground here in rural Bihar.
ये बताओ मामा, ये चुनाव कौन जीतेगा?
This is Rohit Singh in Kishanganj for India Today.
Vote on Bihar. Only on India Today TV.
Driven by the all-new Hyundai i20, born magnetic.
Above and beyond for Hyundai.
Wait for Hyundai's grand i10 Neos car is finally over, in case you're wondering. The car, which offers a host of modern features and fantastic mileage, was recently launched in Delhi's AeroCity. The sporty look of the car and its safety features are big highlights of this brand new Hyundai offering. It comes with dual airbags and a seating capacity of 5. The car will be available in 7 variants of petrol and 3 variants of diesel. The base model of the car starts at 4,99,000, while the top model one will have to shell out around 7,13,000. There have been massive response from the market as pre-bookings have already started.
If we talk about the design language, the new Grand i10 Neos is based on the new design language called the sensuous sportiness. So it means a car which is not only very sporty in terms of design, but also gives a lot of oomph and lot of sensuous curves as far as the front and the side of the car is concerned.
Hyundai Motors launched its new compact sedan Aura on January 21st in Delhi's AeroCity. The car doesn't just look stylish, but is also equipped with modern technology. Take a look at this report.
After unveiling its look in 2019, Hyundai has finally launched its new compact sedan Aura. The car is also super comfortable for long drives and is available in 3 variants: petrol, diesel and CNG. The car meets all safety standards set by the Indian government. Hyundai launched its much-awaited subcompact sedan for a price range of 5.5 to 8.5 lakh rupees.
Hyundai ने लॉन्च की नई i20 और इसका नया मॉडल 2008 में पहली बार बाजार में उतारी गई थी ये कार। Hyundai की बेहद सफल गाड़ियों में शुमार होती है i20। अब तक 10 लाख कार बेच चुकी है कंपनी।
Visuals of Hyundai launching the all-new i20 with a host of advanced features like India's first connected premium hatchback, LED projectors, headlamps and LED DRL electric sunroof. This is not all. It also has a wireless charging, air purifier with AQI index and Bose's premium 7-speaker system. Hyundai cars can also be purchased online through Hyundai Click to Buy website.
खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना, अपने आप को इतना बुलंद करना है, अपने आप को इतना आत्मनिर्भर कर लेना है।
Well, undoubtedly, the neck-and-neck fight now is leaving the entire world in a tizzy. We're going to see in just moments from now, possibly there will be some announcement on